I want to tell you a story. It's based on facts. And while the names and circumstances have been changed to protect their privacy, the core truth of what it proved to me as a 30-plus year health insurance agent never changes. It's a story about the reality of the healthcare system we live in today. In mid-December of 2025, a young family called my company, Clear Choice Health Insurance. For this video, we'll call them Tom and Mary and their two children, Michael and Jane. Tom owns a small, profitable home remodeling business and works hard for his family. Mary is a nurse who chose to stay home and raise their kids, only taking occasional part-time shifts to keep her skills fresh. Mary called me because their health insurance plan had just skyrocketed. Their premium jumped from just under $1,100 to over $2,500 a month. That's an extra $18,000 a year just to keep the same coverage they had. Mary was mortified. She had looked at other market plans like the bronze level, which would have been closer to $1,500, but there was a catch. Their doctors would be out of network, and the deductibles were over $9,000. She was desperate for options that didn't feel like a financial trap. Because the family was healthy, we were able to find them a private health plan very similar to their current one for around $1,200. It had a much lower $500 deductible and a strong PPO network, meaning they could keep their current doctors. They were thrilled. But Mary asked if there was anything else they should compare with. I'm glad she asked. I asked if she was familiar with health sharing or HCSMs. She'd heard a little bit, so I encouraged her to look seriously at Zion HealthShare. I told her to do exactly what my team does, a deep dive. She went to zionhealthshare.org, checked reviews, and even called them to ask specific questions. After her research, they decided on the $1,250 IUA plan. For their whole family, the cost was just $669 a month. They felt secure, and then the unthinkable happened. In February, on an icy road, their Honda CR-V rolled off the road and tumbled down a hill. Thank God they were wearing seatbelts. All of them survived, but they were seriously injured, except for Mary, who thankfully only had minor injuries. Their 7-year-old Michael was touch and go for several days. After days in the hospital, multiple surgeries, and ongoing physical therapy, the medical bills began to arrive. For this one incident, the current bill is over $750,000. Mary called me the other day, and she told me she almost passed out when she spoke to Zion HealthShare about what to do next. Zion told her their family's total share for the entire incident would be just $3,750. That's it, for a $750,000 bill. Now, I want you to let that sink in if you are questioning the reliability of HealthShares. If you are experiencing the stress and shock of rising healthcare costs, don't feel trapped. Comment below or reach out to my office at Clear Choice Health Insurance at cchealthinsurance.com. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can help more people find the clarity they deserve. I'm Maria, an AI assistant created by Sean Kelly.